All right, Anne, I'm trying something new and hopefully this helps. So we are going to start with your grading categories. So with the grading categories, the important thing to know is that they must add up to 100%. So I'm in Laura's class. I can get to the grading categories by clicking on the wrench here in that upper right-hand corner. If I click on that, and I go to course settings, scroll down, here's my grading categories. Notice how 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 10 plus 10 equals 100. See if I can pull up a calculator to show you. Yes, here we go. So labs is 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 10 plus 10 equals 100. You can have as many categories as you want, but the total percentage must add up to 100%. If it adds up to a number that's less than 100 or a number that's more than 100, then you will need to adjust those numbers so they add up to 100%. Hope this helps.